Okay, in the past I did, hello everybody, hello. In the past I did a video on how to replace the antenna mast on a 4runner. Now I'm replacing the whole antenna because even though I replaced the mast, my reception wasn't that great, and I found the cable cut up under there. I had no idea it was way up under the dash, but that's why my signal was never good. It was there, but not great. So I got this from that website, Antenna Source or whatever it is. I don't know. I'll put it somewhere, link below or something. It's not, I would honestly find an OEM if you could. I don't know if they're available or the cost, because that plugs right into the harness there. These ones don't, so you kind of gotta make it up as you go. But it's fairly simple. So you have these doohickeys up here, right? And you just loosen that up, take that off. You have to take your wheel off and open up the fender well. You take the liner off. And in here you'll find a screw right there. And you undo that screw, and then the whole thing just pulls right out. And then you have to transfer this little angle guy off of the original over to your new one. And then just reverse the process and put it all back together. So, since the wiring is weird, you have a ground, and you have a constant power, and then you have the radio on-off power. So, fairly simple, fairly straightforward. However, it's different. So, I think what I'm going to do is just wire this through, so you could go through the original hole or up through where these lines go into your cabin, and I'm going to wire it up that way because I know I have some positive, lots of power up there, so I'm going to go through here and yeah, just wire it that way from inside, because I have plenty of positive and ground you can find anywhere. So probably can just rub that off there and just ground it at that screw or something. That's easy enough. And then yeah, so I'll probably have to splice in a wire or something, but this one of these will be there's a radio lead on your radio that makes when you turn the radio on, the power antenna goes up. So that's, I think, the green one. So that one has to wire inside anyway. And then this is the one that plugs into the back of the radio. And then just ground and constant power, which are both fairly easy to find. So yeah, and then just insert it back up in there, screw it all back together, and you're done. So the bottom mount is a little weird. I'm gonna have to figure that out. They just gave some generic like piece of metal with some holes in it, so you can't really take this one off. It's kind of built into it. Might be able to. Nah, it's just different. Entirely different. So, oh well, we'll figure it out. So yeah, it's fairly simple, fairly simple. The project continues. All right, see you guys later.